dear children, a very happy good morning to one and all. Students, we have started our chapter 9 and in that we have completed part 1. Okay, so today we are continuing with the same chapter. So we are continuing with the same chapter, that is chapter 9. Okay, and so today we will continue with the part 2, right? We will continue with the part 2 and the chapter's name is People Who Help Us, right? The chapter's name is People Who Help Us, right students? So we have started this chapter, right? And in the part 1 we have understood about the different people such as a teacher, a doctor, policeman, right? So about them we have understood in the part 1. So today we are continuing with the next page, right? Right, this one. Okay. So now dear students, a housemaid. Underline the word H-O-U-S-E-M-A-I-D. Housemaid. Underline the word housemaid. H-O-U-S-E-M-A-I-D. Housemaid. Helps in household. Underline the word H-O-U-S-E. House. H-O-L-D. Hold. Household. A housemaid helps in household activities. Underline the word A-C-T-I-V-I-T-I-E-S. Activities. Underline the word activities. A-C-T-I-V-I-T-I-E-S. Activities like sweeping. S-W-E-E-P-I-N-G. Sweeping. Right? Underline the word sweeping. S-W-E-E-P-I-N-G. Then underline the word mopping. M-O-P-P-I-N-G. Mopping. Underline the word M-O-P-P-I-N-G. Mopping. Then C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G. Cleaning. C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G. Cleaning. Utensils. U-T-E-N-S-I-L-S. Underline the word U-T-E-N-S-I-L-S. Utensils. And washing clothes. Underline the word washing. W-A-S-H-I-N-G. W-A-S-H-I-N-G. Washing clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. So here I am repeating this paragraph. A housemaid helps in household activities like sweeping, mopping, cleaning utensils and washing clothes. Right students? So here in this picture you can see, right, this lady, right, housemaid hai. She is a housemaid. Housemaid in Hindi we used to call it हमारी काम वाली बाई, right? So what is the job? इनका job क्या है? ये क्या क्या काम करती है? कौन सी एक्टिविटीज में हमारी हेल्प करती है घर पे? Yes, झाड़ू पोछे में, कपड़े धोने में एंड बर्तन धोने में, right? So she also used to help us in our household work. हमारे घर के कामों में ये हमारी हेल्प करती है, right? Now the next is underline the word G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R. Gardener. Underline the word G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R. Gardener takes care of the, underline the word plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants in a, underline the word garden, right? A gardener takes care of the plants in a garden. Now students, as you can see here, देखो, this is the gardener. अब इनका काम क्या है students? Yes, to take care of the plants and to provide them sufficient water, है ना? क्या करते हैं ये? प्लांट्स की देखरेख तो करते हैं, बट प्लांट्स को कब पानी देना है, कौन से पौधे को कितना पानी देना है, राइट? सो ये इनका काम है, गार्डनर का काम है कि प्लांट्स की देखरेख करना प्लस प्लांट्स को कब कौन से टाइम पे पानी चाहिए वो भी देना. ओके, सो अ गार्डनर टेक्स केयर ऑफ द प्लांट्स इन अ गार्डन. ओके, फॉर सपोज स्टूडेंट्स कोई न्यू कब ग्रो होगा, दैट ऑल इंफॉर्मेशन इनको पता होती है, राइट? ओके, सो हियर वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस. नाउ वी विल कंटिन्यू दिस. Now here, tailor, underline the word tailor, T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. Okay, underline the word tailor. Then stitches, S-T-I-T-C-H-E-S, stitches. Tailor, stitches, S-T-I-T-C-H-E-S, stitches. A-N-D and, M-E-N-D-S, mends, M-E-N-D-S, mends. Then C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes, mends clothes. Okay, so a tailor stitches and mends clothes. So students, as you can see here in this picture, right, who is this? Yes, a lady. But ये lady जो है वो किसका काम करती है? टेलर का काम करती है, right? अब टेलर का क्या काम होता है students? Right, stitches and mends clothes, right? So as you can see here students, ये जो machine है ये है sewing machine, right? This is the sewing machine, है ना, जिसमें हम कपड़े सीलते हैं प्लस मेंस करते हैं. मेंस मतलब इफ फॉर सपोज आपका कपड़ा फट गया तो उसको भी सीलना है, उसको रफू करना है, राइट? सो दिस इज द जॉब ऑफ अ टेलर. व्हाट ही डज और व्हाट शी डज, दे स्टिचेस एंड मेंस क्लोथ्स, राइट? नाउ कंटिन्यू. Then W-A-T-C-H-M-A-N, watchman. W-A-T-C-H-M-A-N, watchman. G-U-A-R-D-S, guards. Underline the word G-U-A-R-D-S, guards. Watchman guards the people. Watchman guards the people, houses and other things in a neighborhood. Right? Students, now what is the meaning of this paragraph? Students, see here in this picture, yes. This man, now this is a watchman. क्या है ये? Watchman है. Now what is the job of this watchman? Watchman क्या काम करते हैं? Yes, they take care of our house and our things, है ना? For suppose if you are staying in a society, आप सोसाइटी में रहते हो, right? Different houses are there. So for that society, अब सोसाइटी में एक छोटा सा कमरे जैसा होता है जहाँ पे वो वॉचमैन हमेशा बैठता है, राइट? सो ही यूज्ड टू टेक केयर ऑफ द हाउसेस, ओके, एंड अदर थिंग्स. हमारे घर को वो गार्ड करता है, राइट? गार्ड मीन्स प्रोटेक्ट करता है, राइट? So now students, on this page number 58, we have understood about the housemaid, right? Then gardener and tailor and watchman. So students, now let us understand for some extra knowledge, right? What are the instruments or equipments a tailor is using? Right students, so here in this picture you can see that these are the different equipments or instruments that are used by a tailor. Okay students, so this is for your extra knowledge, right? This page is not given in your textbook. Okay, so concentrate here. Okay, let's start with the tailor's chalk. Students, here you can see these are the different kind of chalks that are used by the tailor. So that's why it is called tailor's chalk. Then fabric scissors. Fabric scissors. So students, this fabric means cloth only. Okay, fabric means cloth ही होता है, but different kind of clothes. जैसे कि कॉटन होता है, सिल्क होता है, राइट? सो different kind of clothes होता है, उसके लिए वर्ड यूज किया जाता है, कौन सा? फैब्रिक सिजर्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, एज यू कैन सी ये सिजर है, कैंची है, दैट आर यूज्ड बाय द टेलर, राइट? मेजरिंग टेप, अगर कुछ भी मेजर करना है. स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ देयर आर different people of different bodies, right? So they have the different sizes also. So with the help of this measuring tape, the tailor used to take the size of the different people, right? Then water soluble fabric marker. Now students, if the tailor wants to cut any cloth, okay, so he used to mark this, है ना? वो mark करता है with the help of this water soluble fabric mark, है ना? अगर इसमें भूल से क्लोथ पे पानी भी गिर जाता है, बट ये मार्कर जिससे निशानी की हुई होती है वो मिटता नहीं है. Why? Because it is water soluble. Okay. Then hand sewing needles. अब students, sewing machine है, right? So for that we used to have the needles. हमें needles चाहिए, सुई चाहिए, right? Then pins and pin cushions. Pin and pin cushions. Pins and pin cushions. Now students, for suppose if the tailor wants to, if tailor को अभी क्या करना है, अगर for suppose he wants to fold something, right? उसको कोई clothes fold करना है, right? So with the help of this pins, use that. Then thread and seam measuring gauge, right? Seam measuring gauge. Students, now with the help of this, he used to measure it, है ना? कपड़े पे कितना सेंटीमीटर होना चाहिए, right? So with the help of this seam measuring gauge, he used to mark. Then the thread. Now students, only two type of threads you are seeing here, but the tailor uses many different kind of colors thread, right? तो बहुत सारे धागे different colors की use करते हैं. So students, now why this image I have put here for the general knowledge, plus if for suppose in the exam अगर आपको ये सारे instruments दिखते हैं and you have to match it with the correct people, है ना? कोई correct person या people है. For suppose, let me give you an example. If I have given you this measuring tape, this scissor, okay, and the pins. If these three pictures are there, okay, and you have to match it. ये सारी चीजें कौन use करता है students? Yes, these are used by the tailor. Tailor use करता है, right? So on the basis of this, it can be asked in the match the following also and one word also. Okay. So now we are continuing with the page number 59. Yes, here on the page number 59. Okay, so let us understand about the cobbler and plumber. Right? Now students, a cobbler. Underline the word cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R, cobbler. A C-O-B-B-L-E-R, cobbler means shoes. Now students, as you can see here in this picture, this is the cobbler and one boy is standing there. Why? Because he wants to mend his shoes or chappals. है ना? ये लड़का क्यों खड़ा है यहाँ पे cobbler के पास? Why? Because students, for suppose अगर आपकी चप्पल है, as you can see here, if this ये जो चप्पल में पट्टी होती है वो निकल आई है या आपके शूज फट गए हैं, right? So आप कहाँ जाते हैं students? Yes, you go to the cobbler. Why? Because a cobbler mends shoes. Cobbler क्या करता है? Mends करता है. यहाँ पे mend मतलब repair करता है, ठीक करता है, right? Shoes and chappals. Many more things are there. Sandals also are there. Okay. So this is the job of a cobbler. Now students, as you can see in this picture, he is using needles also and thread also. Plus these are the different as you can see here, different kinds of shoes, chappals and all are there. Okay. Now plumber. A plumber. Underline the word P-L-U-M-B-E-R, plumber. A plumber fits. Underline the word F-I-T-S, fits. A plumber fits and repairs water, pipes, taps, etc. Right? A plumber fits and repairs water pipes, taps, etc. Students, now in this picture you can see this man, right? So as you can see, students, he is fixing the pipe here, right? This is the sink and he is repairing this pipe. वो क्या कर रहा है? Repair कर रहा है या फिर fit कर रहा है. Students, now what is the job of the plumber? Okay, what is the job of a plumber? For suppose students, in your house कोई भी लीकेज हो रहा है, नल में हो रहा है या किसी सिंक में हो रहा है या किसी पाइप में हो रहा है. So we used to call the plumber. हम किससे काम करवाते हैं? ये प्लम्बर से, right? So this plumber used to fit करता है, join करता है या ठीक करता है water pipes and taps, right? Students, see this, ये एक बैग भी लाना है अपने साथ जिसमें अलग-अलग इक्विपमेंट्स होते हैं जिससे ये ठीक करते हैं taps and pipes. Okay? So now we are continuing with the different parts, different equipments. Yes. picture in which different you can see, आपको एग्जाम्पल तो आ गया होगा, आपको पता तो चल गया होगा, राइट, कि these are the different types. Yes. Now students, this also can be helpful to you in the match the following, right? So students, here you can see this एक plug जैसा है, right? Then the tap is there, then a sellotape is there, right? And these are the different connectors, है ना? दो पाइप को join करना होता है ना, तो these are the different connectors, okay? So students, basically these are the different equipments that are used by a plumber, right? So now we are continuing with page number 59, okay? So here, page number 59. Okay, we are continuing with the same page. Okay, now electrician and carpenter, right? This is the electrician and the carpenter. So let us understand about them. And A-N-N, underline the word electrician. Okay, students, underline the word electrician. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-A-N, electrician. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-A-N, electrician. Fits and repairs. Fits and repairs the electrical. Underline the word E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-A-L. Electrical wirings. W-I-R-I-N-G-S. W-I-R-I-N-G-S, wirings. Okay students, so here what is the job of the electrician? Electrician हमारी हेल्प कैसे करती है? Yes, he fits and repairs the electrical wirings. Students, see here in this picture, right? See, this is the electrician. He is repairing the wires here. Okay students, for suppose if any kind of problem is there, है ना? For suppose आपके घर में electricity नहीं है. Okay, so some kind of problem is there. Okay, your father used to go there जहाँ पे मीटर होता है, right? There you see that कोई fuse नहीं. Students, as you can see here, this kind of fuses. Okay, so if any problem is there in the fuse और कोई wire निकल आई है ना, lose हो गई है wire और joint नहीं हो गई. So if this kind of problems arises in our house, we used to call the electrician. हम किसको फोन करते हैं? Electrician को फोन करते हैं. They used to come to our house and they fix and repairs the electrical wires. Okay. Now, underline the word carpenter. Underline the word C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. Carpenter. A carpenter makes and repairs. W-O-O-D-E-N. Wooden. W-O-O-D-E-N. Wooden furniture. F-U-R-N-I-T-U-R-E. Furniture. A carpenter makes and repairs wooden furniture. Now students, in this picture you can see carpenter is there. What he is doing? He is repairing the chair. Okay students. Now for suppose students, you see many different types of wooden furniture in your house. For example, chair is there, table is there, dining table is there, right? Sofa set is also there and bed is also there, right students? So ये सारी चीजें जो हैं किससे बनती हैं? लकड़ी से. किससे बनती हैं? वुडन से. So the job of the carpenter is to make that, है ना? वो उनको बनाते भी हैं, plus they used to repair it also. See students, as you can see here, they use the hammer also, needle and some kind of plucking and all they are using. Okay. So now students, let us see what are the different. Yes, as you can see here students, these are the equipments and instruments used by the carpenter, है ना? ये जो basic hand tools है, हाथ से जो use होते हैं ना, yes. So these are used by the carpenter, right? So let us just understand this. Okay. Now back saw, hand saw, right students? Just understand this. These are the different hand tools that are used by the carpenter. Okay. You don't have to use it. Okay. Just understand this. Okay. For example, if this picture is there, back saw and hand saw picture is there, and plus with that, hammer is also there. Okay. So now you have to match this equipment with the people they are using, है ना? ऐसे people के साथ आपको ये match करना है जो use करते हैं. So कहाँ आएगा स्टूडेंट्स, ये किससे मैच होंगे, ये टूल्स, हैंड टूल्स, यस कारपेंटर से. ओके, सो अंडरस्टैंड दिस. बैक सॉ, हैंड सॉ, ट्राई स्क्वायर, मीटर बॉक्स, क्लॉ हैमर, स्क्रू ड्राइवर, brace and bits. Okay, level, metal smoothing plane, wraps, chisels, punches, pliers, all, tape measure and many more. Okay, so these are the different basic hand tools that are used by the carpenter. Why? Because they make the furniture. है ना, वो हमारा furniture बनाते हैं. Not just our only, everybody. Okay. So now students, this was all about the chapter, right? This was all about the this was all about the chapter, right? We have completed here our chapter number 9. So students, our chapter 9 was people who help us. So students, in this chapter we have understood about the different people that are helping us in our neighborhood, right? हमारे neighborhood में, हमारे आसपास की जगह में different people होते हैं जो हमारी help करते हैं, right? So in this chapter we have understood about the teacher, doctor, policeman, fireman, then cobbler, carpenter, tailor, housemaid, watchman, and yes, electrician, plumber, and many more people, right? So students, your today's homework, okay? What you have to do in your homework, you have to read out this chapter very nicely, okay? With the hard words, you have to read out this chapter, okay? So in the next class, we will continue with the next chapter, okay? Have a nice day, students.